Do you feel like your dreams are too big? Do you feel like your English is not good enough to succeed? Stop right there. Most people fail not because they lack talent, but because they never truly start. Today on Fluent Logic, we are changing that. This is not just an English lesson. This is the spark for your new life. If you can understand these words right now, you already have the power to change your future. Stay with me until the end, because the last 5 minutes of this video will change the way you look at your goals forever. Hello everyone, and welcome to Fluent Logic. My name is your guide to better English and a better life. Today, we are talking about motivation. What is motivation? It is the reason we get out of bed. It is the reason we study English even when we are tired. Many beginners ask me, how can I stay motivated? The answer is simple. You must find your why. Why do you want to speak English? Is it for a better job? Is it to travel the world? Is it to make your parents proud? When your why is strong, your English becomes strong. Imagine a small seed. It is tiny. It looks weak. You put it in the dirt. You give it water. For many days, nothing happens. You look at the dirt and think, nothing is growing. I am wasting my time. This is exactly how learning English feels. You learn 10 words today. You learn 20 words tomorrow. But when you try to speak, you still make mistakes. You feel like the seed in the dirt. But listen closely. Under the ground, that seed is growing roots. It is becoming strong. One day, the seed breaks through the ground. It becomes a green leaf, then a branch, then a tree. Your English is a seed. Do not be angry because you're not a tree yet. Be happy because you're growing roots today. Every word you learn is a drop of water. Don't stop watering your mind. Why are you afraid to speak? I know the reason. You are afraid of making a mistake. You think people will laugh at you. But let me tell you a secret. Mistakes are the only way to learn. Think about a baby. When a baby tries to walk, does the baby walk perfectly on the first day? No. The baby falls down. The baby hits the floor. Does the mother get angry? No. Does the father laugh? No. They clap. They say, look, our baby is trying. The world is your family. When you speak English and make a mistake, you're just a baby learning to walk. Every mistake is a sign that you're trying. If you make 10 mistakes today, it means you practiced 10 times. If you make 0 mistakes, it means you did nothing. Which one is better? Be proud of your mistakes. They're the steps on your ladder to success. I want you to change one word in your vocabulary. This word will change your brain. The word is yet. Instead of saying, I can't speak English, say, I can't speak English yet. Instead of saying, I don't understand this movie, say, I don't understand this movie yet. Yet gives you hope. Yet means a miracle is coming. You are on a journey. You are not at the finish line, but you are on the road. At Fluent Logic, we believe that everyone can reach the finish line. You just need to keep walking. Motivation is what starts you, but habit is what keeps you going. You don't need to study for 5 hours a day. That is too much for a beginner. You will get tired and quit. Instead, do this. Give me 15 minutes. 5 minutes of listening. 5 minutes of reading. 5 minutes of speaking out loud. If you do this every day, you will be better than 90% of other people. Success is not about doing big things. Success is about doing small things every single day. If you improve by only 1% every day, in 1 year, you will be 37 times better than you are now. That is the logic of success. That is Fluent Logic. But what happens when you lose your energy? What happens when life gets hard and you want to give up? In the next part of this script, I am going to show you how to find energy when you feel empty. We will talk about the winner's mindset and how to speak English with confidence even if you are a beginner. We all have bad days. There are days when you wake up and your brain feels heavy. You look at your English books and you think, not today. I am too busy. I am too tired. When this happens, remember this. Action creates motivation. Most people wait to feel motivated before they start. But successful people start first, and the motivation follows. If you don't want to study, tell yourself, I will just listen to one English song, or I will just write one sentence. Once you start, the heavy feeling goes away. The hardest part of a journey is turning the key in the car. Once the engine is running, the driving is easy. On Fluent Logic, we don't just teach you words. We teach you how to be a warrior. A warrior does not wait for the perfect weather. A warrior walks in the rain. Your English is your sword. If you don't sharpen it because you are tired, it will become dull. Sharpen your mind for 5 minutes, even on your worst day. Stop looking at other people. Social media is a lie. You see someone on YouTube speaking perfect English and you feel sad. You think, I will never be like them. But you are seeing their chapter 20. You are currently on your chapter 1. You cannot compare your beginning to someone else's middle. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. If you knew 5 words yesterday and you know 6 words today, you are winning. If you could only understand 10% of this video last week, but today you understand 15%, you are a champion. Success is a private race. There is no one else on the track, just you and your goals. Focus on your own feet, and you will find that you are moving much faster than you thought. How do you spend your time? If you want to speak English, you must live in English. You don't need to move to America or London. You can bring London to your bedroom. Change your phone language to English. Listen to English podcasts while you cook. Talk to yourself in the mirror. Tell your cat your plans for the day in English. Your cat won't judge your grammar. When you surround yourself with the language, your brain begins to think that English is safe. Right now, your brain thinks English is a guest. We want English to be a family member. When English is family, you don't feel nervous when it is in the room. You feel at home. Let's talk about confidence. Confidence is not, I know I won't make a mistake. Confidence is, I will be okay even if I do make a mistake. When you speak to someone, don't focus on your grammar. Focus on the connection. If you want a glass of water and you say, water, please, and the person gives you water, you have succeeded. Communication is about sharing a message, not passing a test. At Fluent Logic, we want you to be a global speaker. A global speaker uses simple words to say big things. You don't need long, difficult words to be smart. Some of the most powerful sentences in history are short. I have a dream. Yes, we can. Be the change. Use your simple English to share your big heart. That is where true fluency lives. I want you to close your eyes for a moment. Imagine yourself 1 year from now. You're standing in a room full of people. You're speaking English clearly. Your voice is steady. You are smiling. You have a job you wanted. You are making the friends you dreamed of. How does that person feel? That person is proud of you. They are proud because today, when you wanted to turn off this video, you stayed. They are proud because when you felt like a beginner, you didn't quit. Every time you practice, you are sending a gift to your future self. Don't let your future self down. They are waiting for you at the finish line. Thank you for spending this time with me today at Fluent Logic. You have the talent. You have the time. And now you have a motivation. Remember, English is not a subject you study. It is a life you live. Don't just learn it, feel it. Don't just speak it, breath it. If this video helped you, please subscribe to Fluent Logic and share it with a friend who needs a boost today. Tell me in the comments, what is your why? Why are you learning English? I read every comment, and I am cheering for you. Keep practicing, keep dreaming, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. This is Fluent Logic. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.